Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Double N. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stir fry broccoli and mushroom. This recipe is super easy to prepare and also very healthy, which is the reason why I want you to watch the video from the start to the end, because I'm also going to list the health benefits of broccoli and mushroom. Don't go nowhere and watch the video till the end. Here are all the ingredients I'm going to use. Broccoli already washed. I've got that. I have my salt also, ginger and butter. I have mushrooms there as well, already washed and cut. Onions is there as well. I have the chili, paprika, mixed spices, and my black pepper as well. I have the mixed chili too. Okay, so now I'm just going to start frying. I'm going to first of all add my butter to the hot pan. So as you can see, the butter is hot. I'm going to add the mushroom. I'm also going to tell you the health benefit of mushroom. So here are some of the health benefits of mushrooms. It is good for the skin. It's great for weight loss. It is rich in copper and selenium. It helps to reduce the high blood pressure. It improves the immune system. It is good for the bones. It cures anemia. It's good for diabetics. It helps also to balance the cholesterol levels, and it also helps to prevent against cancer. Guys, these are just some of the health benefits of mushrooms. Isn't that amazing? I had to fry the mushroom for like 2 to 3 minutes before adding the onions. Okay, so after adding the onions, I'm going to add my garlic as well alongside with the other stuff. And after adding the onions and garlic, I'm going to let it fry for about 1 minute. Yes, I'm going to stir fry it for 1 minute before adding the mixed chili. So here are some of the health benefits of chilies. It assists prevention of diabetes. It prevents stomach ulcers. It is good for the heart health. It prevents the spread of cancer. It assists weight loss. It is anti-inflammatory. It clears congestion. It boosts the immune system. It kills bacteria, and it also relieves pain. Wow, that's just amazing. I'm also going to tell you some of the benefits of broccoli. So as you can see, after letting the chili fry for some seconds, I added the broccoli. Okay, so now the broccoli is going to stir fry till it is properly cooked. Okay, let's say for about 5 minutes. I'm going to stir fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. So here are some of the benefits of broccoli. While listing it, please watch thoroughly how I prepared it. And guys, when it comes to broccoli, it is way too much, but I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of broccoli. Okay, it aids weight loss. It supports detoxification. It is good for the eye health. It stops premature aging. It promotes the hair health. It boosts the brain power. It maintains the heart health. It promotes healthy bones. It regulates the blood sugar, and it also prevents cancer. Guys, these are just some of the health benefits of broccoli. Guys, with what I have mentioned, like the health benefits of broccoli and mushroom, wow, it's just amazing. I indulge you to eat more of vegetables, especially the broccoli and mushroom. It is very, very healthy. Eat it and you will see the changes, the good that it will do for your body. So I added a little amount of butter to the vegetable so that it will fry properly and not burn. You can also eat this vegetable like that, as in plain like that, or with your rice, potato, meat, or whatever you want. It is very, very okay, but I decided to eat mine with rice. I ate mine with rice and I didn't show it. Okay, so now I'm going to add my mixed spices to the vegetables because the salt was not enough or the taste was not enough. So I did that, and I'm going to stir fry till it is properly cooked. And as you can see, the stir fry broccoli and mushroom is ready. Guys, like I told you, it is very easy to prepare and you are going to love it. I really enjoy this meal, and I also love it because it is very, very healthy. It is what I can cook every day and not get tired of it. Okay, yes. So now I'm going to dish out my food. I actually ate mine with rice, but I didn't show it. Okay, so that's it. I ate mine with rice and it was super delicious. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching from the start to the end. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Also help me to share the video, and please, if you do cook this food, leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about it, how it tastes, and if you love it. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please share the video. See you in my next video. Bye.